So after you've downloaded this program called Fityk, you're going to open it. So here in my applications, I've got it. And so again, just for a frame of reference, my computer is a Mac. If it's Windows, I apologize. It'll probably look a little different than mine, but the same basic principles. Open the file, or sorry, open the application, and the screen should look something like what you see here. So there's no data files in it yet, anything like that. So it's kind of a blank slate at this point. You'll see here I've got a CPI file, which is what our X-ray diffractometer gives us. So this is the proprietary file from them. But Fityk can actually open that. And so that's good news for us. So I've found the easiest way to open a data file is to go up here to the folder here with a little curve inside of it, and it says load file. That's also, control O, but if you just click that, it'll open up a screen and you can locate your file. It's right here for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and you'll see that it pops up now, and you can see the data file that ran on the X-ray diffractometer. So this is the file that you have, and there's actually a couple windows, and you'll see what all that does here in a second.